Everybody watch Wags the Dog robot dance. Hey Wagsy, how about some Scottish dance? Now everybody Canadian dancing. Some American too, Wagsy.
Wags the dog.
He likes to tango.
Wags the dog.
He calls it Rango.
Wags the dog.
He rhymes with mango.
Hooray! Now everyone, let's all say, Woof Wags!
Woof Wags! Wags, there are so many dog bones. Thank everyone for the wonderful dog bones. Thank everyone for the wonderful dog bones. Sorry, Wags. And everyone, until we see Wags again, wave goodbye to Wags the dog!
Hey Wagsy.
See you later, Wags.
Now,
Good,
Simon,
Anthony.
there are so many dog bones and roses.
Yeah.
There's a lovely dog bone there, but there's so many. Everybody, we might just put in a song our thanks to you for the lovely dog bones and the roses. That was incredible. Will you give yourself a big clap firstly, everyone? Thank you so much. But maybe we can put together a little song about everybody and the lovely roses, dog bones. And I got hairspray, hairbrush, and lots of things for Lockie.
We should have asked ages ago.
Oh, for sure.
Thank you very much.